What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to another Ethereal Lacquer video. This is a short and sweet one, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to note, I know I haven't been doing face recordings this last couple of weeks. My schedule has been so unbelievably tight, and with the PBE videos coming up this week and all of these releases this week, I just have to keep up my no face in lieu of not posting on time. So I hope you all will forgive me. I will say after PBE, things will go back to normal, I promise. In the spirit of no face, Ethereal Lacquer does have two new Spirited Away polishes. One is a charity polish, and I also have the Cracked and Ethereal Lacquer new duo that is also dropping this Friday in both of their shops respectively. So let's check out the two Spirited Away polishes first, and then I'll show you all the duo. This first one is You Could Be a Piglet, described as a sheer light brown base with pink pearlescent shimmer. We all know and love Megan's pearlescent shimmers so much, and this has that strong neutral coffee cloud, or I should say the coffee family type of vibe to it. This is a soft type of buildup. It's one of those shimmers that's very strong, so you want to go in light on that paddle brush. Don't overwork it to prevent any potential streaking on the nail. I'm going to strongly suggest going in for 3 light coats. The formula itself is quite plumping, so again, just make sure you go in thin to prevent any over buildup. It toppers pretty well over black, but again, you'll want to mind those brush strokes if you choose to put this over an undie of any sort. I think neutrals, beige, things like that would actually look really cool underneath this if you wanted to get creative. This will dry down quite flat, which is very indicative to pearlescent shimmers, so again, use a good glossy top coat. Ethereal Spirit is a very pale, almost white periwinkle base with green pearlescent shimmer. $2.50 per bottle will be donated to Austin Pets Alive and Kerrville Pets Alive, who are both working with pets and wild animals in need of rescue, vet care, and fostering from the devastating floods in Texas. So more on that can be found in Megan's Facebook group, the Ethereal Lacquers group. Spirit also has a pearlescent shimmer finish to it. This is so lush in person. It is beautiful. You can stop at 2 coats, your preference. I chose to do 3 thin, and I liked how plump it became that way. And of course, it toppers ridiculously well over black. This would work pretty well over most lighter colors too. If you want to get a little creative, this would look beautiful over maybe like a light lavender type color as well. And then this is the Cracked and Ethereal collab duo that is going to be available through Ethereal's website and through Cracked Polish's website. Now on Ethereal's website, this is going to be capped at 400 bottles. These went really quick, the last collab that dropped, I believe last year. So just throwing it out there, if you're wanting this collab, be on time either for Cracked Polish's release or Ethereal's release. Now for both of the polishes in this duo, I don't have official descriptions just yet. So in my words, I would describe this one as being a light blue type of base, almost periwinkle leaning. It's quite light, and it's got lots and lots of that beautiful shifty shimmer that shows up as mostly pink in indoor regular lighting situations. And I'm seeing this gorgeous gold type of cast at the more extreme angles too. It's almost like an orangey warm type of gold. This one built up for me at 3 light coats. This is one of those crellies that I'm going to suggest not just not overworking the polish with the brush, but also just making sure that you're not going too hard on your brush strokes. There's a potential for a slight little bit of chalkiness if you overwork it. So just go in light, float the polish, and you'll be just fine. Do 2 normal or 3 thin coats like myself. This will topper pretty well over dark colors and perhaps matchy match. But again, just be mindful of that formula. Ex-Spearmint, to my eyes, is a very minty, limey type of green. And then we also have a pack full bottle of this gorgeous shimmer here too. This is going to take on that peachy type of tone that you're seeing in the video, and it is quite obvious in person. Ex-Spearmint has an excellent creamy type of formula to it. I'm really appreciating this. I felt like it was reminiscent to the HHC that I showed you all a couple of days ago. I hope you grabbed that PS. But this is an excellent buildup. Again, creamy smooth. I'm going to suggest 2 coats for it and a good glossy top coat to seal it in. It toppers okay over black. I think it's a little too creamy in my opinion, but your choice on that. If you do topper it, maybe over matchy match colors, but I can't really see a reason to do that as it builds up so much like a cream. Ethereal's site is going to go up for a pre-order starting this Friday, July 18th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. This pre-order is from Ethereal is going to go up for 1 week. There will only be the 2 new Spirited Away polishes that we saw in the video here, the Cracked and Ethereal Polish collab, and then the entire Spirited Away collection plus Venus Crystal. Again, there is a cap on the duo for 400 bottles. I will link you all below to Ethereal Lacquer's site if you want to get that ready for Friday's drop. And I'll also link you to the Facebook group if you want to join that too. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.